welcome to a special edition of Global One Media's Crypto Chronicles. I'm Michael Suedo. I'm speaking today with Matt Gigault. He's the CEO of Mogul Productions. They're breaking new ground in the film industry, using blockchain technology to make it easier for producers to raise the funds needed to make a film, and for retail investors to have a say in which movies are made, as well as a way to invest in them. Matt, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me, Michael. Appreciate the introduction, and I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, great to have you here. At the heart of your company's business are crypto tokens that connect creators, movie fans, and film financiers all in one space. You're currently in the process of undertaking a major overhaul of your token and operations. Why is that? As they say in the movies, set the scene for us.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're launching a new token. It's a fresh start for Mogul. We didn't want to mix old wine with fine wine. So it gave us the opportunity to get rid of the bad blood and reborn. And we will blacklist the wallet that was participating in the Bitmart hack while honoring the previous stakeholder by migrating them in the new token. So as you guys know, Bitmart was hacked and it kind of affected us, and that give us the opportunity now to blacklist these guys and not participate in the next market trend. And with 1 billion distributed Mogul token, the STARS token will migrate its 400 million token into Mogul. And yeah, that will leave us with 600 million token to distribute.
So you mentioned KOL. Clarify, what is that?
KOL is Key Opinion Leaders.
Okay, so key opinion leaders are getting a stake in this token as well.
Absolutely. They're going to help us improve and enhance the project everywhere.
All right, awesome. So I understand that, as you said, the number of tokens in circulation, there's going to be a hard cap of 1 billion. They're projected to grow at 4% a year. Why have you chosen these parameters, and how do you plan to implement them?
So to maintain a supply cap of 1 billion tokens and keep the inflation below 4%, Mogul employs a specific mechanism, such as a token burning. Mogul periodically removes token from circulation to token burning. This process involves permanently eliminating a certain number of tokens from the total supply, reducing the circulating supply to preventing it from exceeding the preset cap. Also implement the stacking rewards. So Mogul motivates users to stake their tokens by offering rewards. Staking involves locking up tokens for a specific period, during which users earn additional tokens as reward. By encouraging token holders to stake their holdings, Mogul reduces circulating supply and control inflation. So by implementing a combination of token burning, staking rewards, Mogul maintains a supply cap of 1 billion tokens and control inflation below 4% through ensuring its stability and stability of its token.
And I imagine by maintaining that supply, you're actually enhancing the token's value, kind of the way that Bitcoin has the halving. By keeping that supply in check, the value should go up. Is that your all's model?
Exactly. That's exactly it.
All right. Well, anyone holding the old STARS tokens, I'm sure they're wondering, what about me? What about my tokens? So tell us, how does the migration affect current STARS token holders?
Yeah, that's a very good question, and I assure you, there's a lot of people asking that question. So there will be many different benefits set for a previous stakeholder. We will be honoring them in many different ways. Previous stakeholder in the Mogul tokens tend to gain several advantages from the migration process. We're also adding an automatic migration and restaking. So the existing stake tokens are automatically migrated and restaked for a better APY, so an annual percentage yield, ensuring continued participation in staking rewards without the need of manual intervention. And an additional APY benefit, the stakeholders tend to benefit from additional APY benefits for the token staked with the first 10 days post-migration, potentially increasing their overall returns of investment. There's going to be a participation in profit redemption. So the Mogul token holders can participate in profit redemption from sales in the Mogul NFT marketplace, with a portion of the profit available for distribution. This provides an opportunity for a stakeholder to earn additional rewards based on the success of the NFT marketplace. And of course, the favorite one of a lot of people is the airdrop incentive. So there's an airdrop of 5,000 Mogul tokens that is provided to all Mogis and Access Pass holders. With the NFTs holder eligible to earn 5,000 Mogul tokens while holding their NFTs for 3 months. So their airdrop incentive serves as a bonus for a loyal stakeholder and encourage continued engagement with the platform. So the overall, I would say the advantage for the previous stakeholder includes increased token holdings, continued participation in staking rewards, opportunities for additional earnings through profit redemption, and a bonus incentive through airdrops, so all of which contribute to enhancing the value proposition and rewards for the investment.
All right, Matt, let's take a step back. Your website notes that token holders directly impact the filmmaking process. How does this work? What can the tokens be used for?
Yeah, so it's common for project to maintain and expand upon the existing use of application of the token during such transition. The new Mogul token will be it will keep its core uses, such as facilitating transaction with the Mogul platform, including purchasing goods or services, accessing premium content, and participating in governance mechanism. It expanded an application too, and there may be like expansion or enhancements to the tokens application. For example, the token might gain a new utility within the platform. And there's going to be exclusive benefits, rewards, access to special features. And on top of that, we have a tool like Film3 GPT. The token might also serve a purpose specific to the film industry, such as funding film project, accessing film-related content, or participating in the film-related events. So ultimately, while the core uses for the token are likely to remain the same, the migration process presents just a new opportunity for Mogul to refine itself and expand the token applications.
All right, well, we'll talk a bit more about that Film3 GPT in just a moment. But first, I want to take a quick dive into the migration. It happens between Stars and Mogul tokens on May 12th. And I got a few quick questions. We're going to do it rapid fire style, if that's okay. Are you game?
Sure.
All right, let's give it a go. Number one, before the migration takes place, can investors still buy Stars tokens?
Yes, they can still buy Stars token.
All right, so where do you buy Stars tokens, and where will investors be able to buy the Mogul tokens?
So it's on the MEXC, Ape Swap, Sushi Swap. It will be on pretty soon, and Uniswap. We're in talk with other different exchanges, so we will keep everyone updated on that. But this is where you can get it for now. MEXC is a good one.
All right, if we take a step back, Mogul is also overhauling its operations in addition to overhauling the token. What new capabilities are you working on?
So we're going to be expanding, it's called the Film3 GPT. So we're going to be revolutionizing the film industry with this, like a personalized movie discovery. So the Film3 GPT uses chatbot technology to recommend movies tailored to individual preference, and it will help find satisfactions with people. It adds and support the filmmakers also. It assists filmmakers by crafting narrative, developing concepts, generating script, enhancing videos. It also, there's AI dubbing that helps to translate the languages in the movies. There's a virtual assistant. It's also an individual virtual assistant. They provide guidance, technical aspects, and especially for like repetitive work. And yeah, so with the inspiration and innovation of the Film3 GPT also sparks a creativity and innovation in the storytelling, encouraging experimentation and pushing boundaries.
Interesting. Really interesting to hear you using artificial intelligence, having a Film3 GPT. It sounds very cool. Look forward to hearing more about how that's used in the future. Matt, your background is in finance, and you took over the helm of Mogul Productions a few months ago. I know you're extremely passionate about Mogul's mission and its DeFi film model. Tell us, how is this overhaul that we've been discussing, from your perspective, how does it make Mogul and its token a better investment opportunity?
Yeah, absolutely. So Mogul has a stable tokenomics, so which is really good. It's a clear inflation management and token allocation strategies provides a stability and transparency. We also increased the token utility, so it expanded the use cases within the Mogul ecosystem that enhanced the token. Mogul also enhanced the staking, as you know, so the new staking initiative offered an attractive rewards that reduce the token supply and potentially increasing the value. We have a strategic fund allocation that we are implementing, which the funds are directed towards marketing and development to drive the platform growth. And yeah, like we just discussed, the Film3 GPT that we're going to be implementing here is going to be something that will position us as the leader in the film industry for sure. So in summary, the overall aim to boost the transparency, utility, profitability, making Mogul a more compelling investment opportunity.
All right, that's really interesting. It really has been interesting to take a peek into the world of DeFi film financing with you. Thanks for walking us through that, as well as your upcoming token migration, which takes place on May 12th. We've been speaking with Mogul Productions CEO Matt Gigault, and you've been watching a special edition of Global One Media's Crypto Chronicles. I'm Michael Suado.